Okay, guys, everyone, you need to power on your virtual machine. So let's power it on. Click on start on the top. Okay, so um, let's go ahead and open a notepad and we will write down the today's topic. So in the last session, we have created Microsoft Intune subscription. We downloaded Oracle Virtual Box and Windows 10 ISO image file and built a new Windows 10 virtual machine and take a snapshot. Okay. These are the things which we did in the last session. Now, what do we have to do is each one of you have a new virtual machine. So let's assume that each one of you have received a laptop, right, from organization, and you would like to enroll them into Intune portal. Okay. So first of all, we have to create account. Okay. So we need to create account in Intune portal. So let's go to intune.microsoft.com. Everyone, let's go to intune.microsoft.com. So it's asking you to wait a minute. It's asking you to use Microsoft Authenticator application. Okay, so let's click on Ask Me Later for now. So you logged in with Intune account. At the right hand side, you have Intune username at GAGGI20 at ecolon edge20.onmicrosoft.com. This is the Intune account you have. Now we will see how many licenses you got. Okay, so let's open a new tab and type in admin.microsoft.com. admin.microsoft.com.
Okay, if you want to see the licenses and everything, we need to go in this link, sir.
Yeah, we have to go to the Microsoft Admin 365 portal. This is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Got it?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Now in this one, you will be able to see all the licenses and you can take new licenses from here. You can purchase licenses plus you can make payment to Microsoft. Now at the left hand side, you have billing. Click on billing and then your products. So what is the license you have? You have Microsoft Intune Plan 1 license. and assigned license. This license is assigned to one user, and total license quantity 25. So total you have 25 license, and out of 25 you are using one license. One license is consumed. So who is using that license? The same user which you have used to create your account, right? So let's go to user section at the left hand side, user, and go to active user. So whatever the users you have, you can see it here. Now this is the user, Gagandeep Singh, and the username is this, and license. This user has Intune license. Okay, this is a global administrator user. Nobody else got any license. I think I mean you don't have any other user apart from this user. Now at the left hand side you have bill and payments. Click on bill and payments. So when you have to make payment to Microsoft, you need to come to this section, bill and payment, right? Right now you don't have any bill to pay. It's 30 days free trial, so you don't have to make any payment. Okay. Then there is one more portal, and that is Microsoft Entra portal. So let's open a new tab and go to entra.microsoft.com. Entra, entra.microsoft.com. So what is entra.microsoft.com? This is your Entra ID portal, like the Azure Active Directory portal. Okay, so all these websites are interconnected. Okay, all these websites are, these three websites are interconnected. Let's go back to the notepad and write down the um, website address. So today agenda is 30th. First you need to type in the date, 30th August. Hit enter, and point number 1, overview of below portals, portals. Hit enter, and now type in, no, don't type in point number 2, type in tab, tab, and A, point number A dot. Intune portal, Intune portal, colon, intune.microsoft.com, intune.microsoft.com, and in bracket type in, this portal is to manage devices. This portal is to manage devices. Okay, this is your main portal. Second portal, point number B, and that is MS365 portal, MS Microsoft 365 portal. The link is admin.microsoft.com. This portal is for license management. This portal is for license management. Point number C, Entra portal, ENTRA, Entra portal. Entra.microsoft.com, Entra.microsoft.com. This portal is for user authentication. User and device authentication. Sorry, user and device authentication.
That means if we can like we are activating the role, right, sir?
No, these are, I'm discussing about these three portals. Intune portal,
Mhm.
MS365 portal, and Entra portal. Now, first portal is for managing devices. Second portal is to manage licenses. Third portal is for authentication, user and device authentication. That means when you type in your username and password to log in somewhere, who will verify? This portal will verify and make you log in. Otherwise, it will block you. You will not be able to log in if your username is incorrect. So this is like a database portal which has your user information and devices information. Got it?
Oh, got it, sir. Yeah.
So we have created our Intune subscription, and that Intune subscription has given us 25 licenses. Now we need little uh, we need to create some user accounts. So where will you create user accounts? You can create user account in any of these three portals. Okay, where the account will get created? Actually, the account will get created in Entra portal. Entra portal is the one where the accounts get created, but you can use any three portals to create account. Okay, now one more thing. Do you guys have you guys purchased domain? Anyone before? Your custom domain? Hmm?
Okay, sir.
I did. Yes.
Sorry,
Yeah, I did purchase the domain
from GoDaddy or
uh,
from which registrar?
from from Google domains, but
From
now
Google.
it's yeah.
It's expired.
It's changed to something else right now. I did not check.
Okay. Now, in case if you would like to purchase a domain, right now, what domain we got? What is the domain? Gagan. That is ecolon edge20 dot on microsoft.com. Can you write down the cloud domain? Hit enter on, yeah, hit enter a couple of times, go down a little bit and type in the default domain name. Default
So what is the
domain name.
domain you said?
Sorry.
What is the domain name you said?
You see at the right hand side, you have, yeah,
This
click on
one.
that. You see the domain is after at the rate. After at the rate, what
Oh,
is
okay, 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 okay.
it? Is ecolon age edge 20 dot on microsoft.com. That's the domain you got. Each one of you will have a different domain name because this is unique. Nobody else will have ecolon edge 20 dot on microsoft.com. Now this is the domain given by Microsoft. Now would you like to continue with this domain, or you would like to purchase a separate domain? I would encourage you guys to purchase a new domain. It won't cost you more than 600 rupees. Okay, if you would like to take it, you can take it, or if you would like to continue with this domain, you can also continue with this domain. Now I will just let you know how to take a domain from GoDaddy. Okay, so let's um, open a new tab and go to godaddy.com. GoDaddy, yeah, click on GoDaddy. Yeah, GoDaddy is a domain registrar, guys. You can purchase domain. Click on that one. Now here you can search your domain, whatever the domain you would like to choose. What domain you would like to choose? Anything of your choice. Just search it here. If it is available, you will be able to own that one. For example, if you would like to take gagan.com, I don't think that will be available. Let's try. Search domain. Gagan.com is not available, but Gagan.in is available. Okay. Would you like to take this one, Gagan?
Only for rupee 1.
It's showing 1 rupee, but when you go to the payment, it will be around 600 rupees. Let's click on make it yours. Have you clicked on make it yours?
Yes, this domain isn't available.
Oh, this domain is not available. Okay, go down. Okay, so
This
you have
co.in.
these gaganraj.com. Go down. Can you try gaggi.com? Let's see if that is
This
available.
gagan.co.in is available.
Okay, that is 49 rupees. Okay, click on that. Let's see. But that is a little expensive, right? 49. Below you have 1 rupee one, right? What is this
Yeah.
1 rupee?
gaganshop.com.
Gaganshop.com. Okay. First year.
gaganco.com.
Okay, try this.
Which one?
Gaganco.com.
This
1
one.
rupee one. Yeah, 1 rupee one. Let's try this.
Yeah.
Click on view card down
This
at the
is
bottom.
18. It's not 1 rupee. Why it's saying these much of plus added so many other.
No, click on view card down at the bottom. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see. Change it to 1 year instead of 3 years. Change it to 1 year. Okay, go down. So full domain. Full domain protection. Remove that. We don't need that one. Can you try? Yeah, off. Is it working? Okay, gone. How much is costing now? Oh, it's
But
on.
it
Okay,
was
sorry.
not.
It's on. Okay.
It was off already.
Okay, go down.
It's
949.
already.
Okay,
Yes.
let's try a different one.
Mhm.
The 49 rupees one. Let's see if what does it say?
I close this one. Cart.
Yeah, close that one. Yeah.
55. This one.
Hmm. Not available.
Not
Okay.
available.
The 1 rupee gaganraj.com. Let's try that one.
Same
Delete the first. Okay, it's the same 1 year.
amount. Yeah. Amount is same. 949.
Okay, let's search something else. Instead of gagan.com, search something else.
Okay.
Hmm. Gaggi.com. Hmm. Okay, continue to cart.
Okay.
No, this one is again coming, the old one. Can you search on the top? Delete this one. Delete. You have the delete, option to
Yes.
delete.
Delete.
Below
Sorry.
you have, yes. Up, you delete that one. Okay, you can't delete this one. You search on the top.
This one.
Gaggi.com. Search. Let's see.
Mhm.
No, go down. Do we have any alternative for that? Okay.
This one.
Gaggi.in is there. That, okay, try that. Let's see.
Already it is not.
Continue. Okay, add to cart. Continue.
Yeah,
Click on continue on the top.
okay.
Included, tell the world.
It is
Okay,
coming.
that's okay. No thanks. Okay, continue to cart. Click on that. Instead of 3 years,
1 year.
choose 1 year. Yeah,
Yes,
this is
know.
the one, right? So this is gonna cost you around 579 plus GST. So I think it is gonna cost you somewhere around 600 something. You can take this one if you want. So, and those who are in US or Canada, you can take the, it will cost you $2 or $1, I think, less than $5 if you are interested to take the
I got it for 199. Yeah.
199. Okay, good. So if you
So,
would like to take your own domain, you can go with this one. Would you like to take this one, Gagan?
yeah, this seems okay for me.
Okay, so you can click on I am ready to pay. Click on that. And then, but it's not mandatory, guys. If you don't want to
Okay.
purchase, that's okay. Click on this continue with Google and type in your Gmail account.
I already
Yeah,
signed in.
choose that account. Yeah, continue.
I got 1 year, which is $0.01.
Very good. Take the cheapest one. Okay,
That is
check
the
the
Okay.
one.
cheapest one. Yeah,
It's almost like for free,
free. Yeah,
0.01.
right. Okay, so create an account.
Is ending with .com, eh?
Okay, you have to give your phone number, address, details.
Fine.
Save. Now unshare your screen. You have
Okay.
multiple option. You have multiple net banking, UPI. I think you can try UPI option. Okay, unshare your screen. We don't want to see your payment. Okay,
Yeah.
stop sharing.
Okay.
Now make payment and
Continue.
let me know. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
but it's not mandatory, guys, to purchase a domain. But when you purchase, you will understand how the organizations are doing. They are not using .on Microsoft.com domain. They are using their custom domain, their personal domain, right? So similarly, we will be using our personal domain. Okay, is
Yeah,
that
it's
done?
done, Kashif. Yes.
Okay, share your screen again. And also you need to make a note of your GoDaddy username and password. So GoDaddy username is your Gmail account, Gmail ID. Got it?
Oh, okay.
So well done. Time for the fun part. Go to my account, click on go to my account in GoDaddy page here. So this is the domain. Yeah, scroll down, you will be able to see your domain, I believe. Yeah, this is your domain guggy.in, right? Guggy.in. The guggy.in your personal domain. Okay, so instead of using edge20.on microsoft.com, we are going to use the custom domain. Okay, so point number
Okay.
1, go back to the notepad, and point number 2 is purchase a new domain from GoDaddy. Okay, purchase a new domain. So if you would like to take the cheapest one, guys, from GoDaddy. Okay, now in bracket type in your new domain name guggy.in. So this is your domain. Now point number 3, take another license. Take Microsoft Entra. Take Microsoft Entra ID. Microsoft Entra ENTRA. Microsoft Entra premium license. Now, why do we need this license? This license is required for auto enrollment. So in bracket type in for auto enrollment of devices. So Microsoft Entra ID premium license for auto enrollment of devices. For auto enrollment of devices. So currently the devices will not get auto enrolled into Intune portal. We don't want manual enrollment. Manually every time you have to enroll the devices. Instead of manually enrolling the devices, we would like to enroll the devices automatically. So how do we take license? So let's go to Microsoft 365 portal, admin portal. Yes, Microsoft 365 admin center. Now let's go to the marketplace at the left hand side. Now in here you have all products. Let's click on all products. Up you have all products. Up, yeah. Now here at the right hand side you can search your you can search, type in Microsoft Entra, Microsoft space Entra, and search. Now scroll down a little bit. So let's go down a little bit. Down. Yeah, wait a minute. Now we have this option called Microsoft Entra ID P2, right? Put yourself on mute, guys. Now, Microsoft Entra ID P2 license. So I think this is the one we have to take. But before we take this one, let's go to the Intune portal. Let's go to the Intune portal. Now in Intune, let's go to the devices at the left-hand side. Devices. And then go to enrollment. Enrollment at the left-hand side in the list, you have enrollment. When you come to the enrollment section, you have automatic enrollment. Let's click on automatic enrollment. Now for this, you need license. You see, what does it say? Automatic MDM enrollment is available only for Microsoft Entra ID premium subscribers. So you have to have this license. So let's click on that. Go down till the bottom here. You have Microsoft Entra Suite license or Microsoft. Yeah, this is the one. You see, we need this one, Microsoft Entra ID P2 license. Okay. So either you can go from this location or go back to the marketplace in Microsoft 365 portal. Let's go to the 365 portal. Okay, so this is the one Microsoft Entra ID P2 license we need. The cost of this license is 75, yeah, sorry, 750 per license per month per user, right? So let's click on details. And then start free trial. Let's take a start free trial. Let's wait. It is, yeah, click on try now. How many licenses you are getting? 100 license. Yeah, click on try now and wait. Just wait,
Hey,
wait.
sir, sorry to cut you. If you go with this free trial, so there is a any like expiry is there?
Yes, expiry is there. After 30 days, it will get expired. Got
Okay.
it? Let's
Yeah.
click on continue. Okay, so we have taken another license. Let's go to the market. Let's go to the billing section at the left hand side and go to your products. We will see whether we have received the new product or not. Yes, you see, we have Microsoft Entra ID P2 trial. This is the one which we have taken for free trial, and that will get expired on 30th of September. You see the date, Guru, date is mentioned. 30th of September, it will get expired. Microsoft Entra ID
Yeah,
P2
yeah.
license. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do we see here? We have two licenses, Microsoft Intune to enroll our devices and Microsoft Entra to auto enroll our devices. Okay. Otherwise, you will have to manually enroll our devices. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the notepad and type in the next point. Point number 4. I think this will not work, but let's try. Add the new domain. Add and verify the new domain. Add and verify the new domain. into Microsoft 365 portal. So the domain which we have right now from Microsoft is edge20.onmicrosoft.com, but we don't want to use that one. We want to use guggy.com, right? The custom domain which we have purchased from GoDaddy. So we will try to add that one. I think it takes couple of hours, but we will try. Let's see what happens. So let's go to the Microsoft 365 portal, and then you are already on Microsoft 365 portal. Now at the left hand side you have show all. Click on show all. Now when you go show all, you have settings. Click on settings. And click on domains. Domains. So right now this is the default domain which is given by Microsoft, right? edge20.onmicrosoft.com. So we cannot delete this one, but we can add more based on our requirement. So I'm gonna click on add. Let's click on add domain. Now type in guggy.in here. So the domain which you have purchased, you need to enter that one. Each one of you, you will have to enter your domain, not this guggy.in. Use this domain. Down at the bottom, use this domain. Sign into GoDaddy. Click on verify. Connect. It's pretty straightforward, very simple process. You just have to go continue. So it is going to add some DNS records into your domain. Continue. Add DNS records. These two DNS record will be added into your guggy.in domain. Connect.
Kashif, what is the difference going to be from the default one and using this personal one?
Personal one, company are using the personal one. They are not using on Microsoft.com. Suppose they have like 1,000 or 10,000 users. So their domain will be personal. For example, it's Sony, company Sony, right? They won't be going with on Microsoft.com. They will be going with Sony.com, right? Or suppose Google, they will give user ID like kashif.google.com, like email address. They will not be giving kashif.onmicrosoft.com. Got it?
Okay, got it.
So the organization will always have a personal domain. Now click on done. You see, it's a default one. Default means this is the primary domain now. So all your users will get created on guggy.in. When you create a new user, by default, it's gonna be created in guggy.in instead of edge.on Microsoft.com. Is that clear, everyone? Now let's go back to the notepad and type in create user accounts. Create user accounts. Now you have some users. Suppose some users are from India, some users are from US, some users from United Kingdom, some users are from Canada. So you have to create users according to their region. So let's go ahead and create some user accounts. So go to, where will you create your user account? Go to user at the left hand side. Scroll up, user, active user. So right now only Gagandeep is there. We will add more user here. So let's click on add a new user. Sharif, you can hear?
Yes, I
Sharif?
can hear. Thank you.
Okay. Now type in user account. So you can create, type in your participants user account here. For example, Sharif. Type in Sharif there. Last name Munshi. Display name will automatically come. So suppose Sharif is joining your organization. You are an Intune administrator. You will have to create his account somewhere, right? So we are creating Sharif's account. Now type in username Sharif, just Sharif. And you see domain gaggi.in, right? We will go with
Yeah.
gaggi.in. Got it? Now there is
Yeah.
an option called automatically create a password. Let's uncheck that box. And uncheck this box which says require user to change password. We don't want user to change password. We can do that, but that's okay. Now type in a password in notepad and copy and paste it here. Any simple password. Type in a password here on notepad. Copy and paste. Paste it here. No, you have to choose a different password. I don't think it is gonna accept because you have password. Password will not accept. Try different one. Ecolon rat. Let's try this password. And make a note of this password, guys, everyone, because you will be needing that password later on. Okay, next. Now suppose this user is from USA, so choose United States. Instead of India, choose USA. Now, would you like to give license to this user? Yes. Let's give Intune and Microsoft Entra ID license to these users. Next, finish. Next.
We have 20 users to create, right, sir, in this license?
We can give 25 license total. We have 25.
Oh.
You can create many, you can create hundreds of users, but license only you can assign to 25 users. Finish adding.
Okay.
Close it.
If
Now let's create
Kashif,
5-6 users. Yes.
I wanted to find out, what if you decide to create the account directly in
Active Directory.
in Intune or in Entra? Entra.
What if
What effect does it have rather than creating it from Office 365 admin?
you can create account from any 3 portals. The account will get replicated in all 3 portals. Either you create in Entra or create in Intune or create in Microsoft 365 portal.
Okay, when it comes to assigning the licenses,
Yeah.
can you
So
assign license? Can you
you can
assign
assign license
licenses
from any 3 portals.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. Now,
Should I
second,
create? Okay.
so you can use our participant Akshay, for example. Do it fast. Okay, we have to create many users account. Display, click on display name. And then user Akshay. Username will always be small letter without any space. Now password, copy, paste the password. I think you have already copied it. Let's paste the password. Paste same password. Yeah. Next. Give Intune license to Akshay. Akshay is from India, so choose India. Next, finish. Close it. Now create account Guru. GURU. And Guru username. Now Guru is from, paste the password. Same. Guru is from UAE.
No, sir. I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Saudi, okay. Choose Saudi. Saudi. It will be Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I think.
Yes, sir. It will pop up.
Just type in Saudi. Type in Saudi in that box. It will come.
SCAUDI.
DI. Saudi Arabia. Give license to Guru. Next, finish. Let's create next account. Sharif, SHARIF.
I think Sharif. Okay. Sharif is already created.
No, SHARIF. Oh, okay. This is a different user. So Sharif, first name, last name Akhtar, AKHTER. Display name. Okay, so username, this is going to be a different username because Sharif is already there. It will not allow you to go with that one. So Sharif A, type in A after F. Okay, so this is a new username and paste the password. Next, choose Canada. Sharif is from Canada. Type in Canada. Just type Canada, yes. And choose Canada. Choose Canada. Next, finish. Create, add user. Fedelis and you can type in Fedelis. Fedelis DE. Last name ANDONG. YA. Sorry, ONG after G. ANUNG. ANUN YUNG. ANYUNG. Yeah, display name. Username Fedelis. Okay, let's go paste the password. So each one of you have to create the account like this. I don't know whether you guys are doing it or not, but each one of you will have to create account. He is from US, I think. Yeah. Create one more account, Jagdish. So these are your employees. Okay, you are an administrator and these are your employees. You are creating their accounts here. So everyone has the same password. India. It's not mandatory to assign license. You can assign license later on as well. Okay, close. So these are your employees user ID which we have created. Now suppose Sharif joins the organization, you will give him a laptop and you will create his account here and you will assign the license to Sharif so that he will be able to enroll his laptop. Is that clear? Now let's go to the Microsoft Entra ID portal. You will be able to see all these users account there as well. They are integrated, you know, all these three portals are integrated into each other. Let's go to user at the left hand side and all user. So basically all the accounts are created here. This is the main database where the accounts are getting created. So either you create the account in Entra portal or you create in 365 portal or you create it in Intune portal. Let's go to the Intune portal. You will be able to see the accounts there in Intune portal too. Let's go to users. You see?
Yeah.
So any three locations
It will
you can
reflect.
create. These are all integrated into each other. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Now let's enable the automatic enrollment. Let's go to the Intune portal and go to devices at the left hand side and go to Windows. Click on Windows and go to enrollment. Enrollment. Automatic enrollment. Now this option, wait a minute. This option is right now saying automatic enrollment is available only for Microsoft Entra ID Premium subscriber. We have already taken the license, right? Let's refresh this page. Refresh the whole page. On the top. Yes, I think it will go away. This message will go away. Yeah, there you go. You see, previously it was giving that option, that message, but now it is not giving that message. Now MDM user scope and below you have below you have WIP user scope. Now, would you like to enroll all the devices? Yes. So let's choose all on the top. So what will happen? All our devices will get enrolled. If you don't want all the devices to get enrolled, you can choose some. So only some of the devices will get enrolled. Got it? But here in our environment, we would like to enroll all our devices. Let's click on save. So let's go to the notepad and type in point number 6. Point number 6. Enable automatic enrollment. Enable automatic enrollment. Point number 7, disable multi-factor authentication. We don't want multi-factor authentication right now. We will enable that later on because by default it is enabled for all users. So we don't want to have multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication, it is gonna send a passcode on your mobile. You need to enter that passcode, then you will be able to log in. So that is by default enabled. So our users will get confused if we give multi-factor authentication for the first time. Later we can enable this feature. Now, in order to disable this one, let's go to the Microsoft Entra portal. Now in Microsoft Entra portal, you have at the left hand side, you have identity, and at the left hand side, you have overview. Let's click on overview. Under identity, left hand side, overview. Okay. Then you have properties. Click on properties. Scroll down. Now here you have, what does it say? The last line, second last line. Your organization is protected by security default. Excuse me. Now some security is by default enabled. Okay, which says your organization is protected by security default. We don't want to use the default option. We will go with the custom one. So let's click on manage security default. And disable this one. Choose why you are disabling it. Because too many sign in multi-factor authentication. Choose that and click on save. All good, guys? So the multi-factor authentication will not come into the picture. We can enable it later on. Now let's go to the notepad. Point number 8. Point number 8. Enroll the virtual machine. Enroll the virtual machine. So we have a virtual machine. We would like to enroll that into Intune portal. So let's assume that this virtual machine is given to Sharif. Okay, this virtual machine is given to Sharif, and Sharif, this is either a virtual machine or a laptop, right? Sharif will enter his username and password. So let's go back to the virtual machine. Open the virtual machine. No, it's already open at the right hand side. It's already open. Right hand below right hand side. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So this is the machine given to one of our users. Let's assume that this is a laptop. So one of our employees will log into this laptop. Click on yes. Yes. So our employee is logging in for the first time. So this is the first time let's assume he has powered on this laptop and he is going to log into this device. And this user is there in USA. Akshay and Guru, you have to prepare your virtual machine today.
Yes, Kashif.
Yeah, sure.
Each one of you have to join the session daily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Taking
Sir,
little more
here we can
time.
create multiple virtual machines, right, sir?
You can create depends on your computer strength. Suppose if your computer has good configuration, you can create multiple virtual machine.
Okay.
In production environment, you will have like thousands of virtual machine, thousands of laptops, thousands of desktops, right? Thousands of
Yes.
mobile
Yeah.
phones, thousands. So all those devices we can enroll them into Intune so that we can remotely manage those devices.
Okay, sir. Sure.
It's taking more time. Let's power off this machine. Power off. Gagan, close. Click on close. Uh, choose power off. Choose power off and power off. Click OK. Perfect. Now click on blank machine Windows 10 Pro. We have to go back to the previous snapshot because this machine is taking a lot of time to power on. Click on blank machine Windows 10. See the blank machine is written at the right hand side and choose restore. Restore. Uncheck the box, uncheck and restore. Restore. Now power on. Start. So you can go back to this stage anytime in the future. Just to come back to this stage. So it will give you the login page directly. You don't have to go and choose the language and all. Now the user is, suppose, let's assume that Sharif has received this laptop and he has powered on this machine. This is for the first time he is going to log in. So who will give the username and password? So the IT guy or the Intune administrator will give the username and password. Okay, so type in Sharif at gaggi.in, right? That's the email address Sharif will have to enter. Each one of you will have to enter your account, okay? The account which you have created, your user account. Next, password. You can't copy and paste it. You have to manually type in echelon at 2024. N is capital. You can see the password, yes. Enter the password again. Okay. So this is the first time Sharif is logging into this laptop or virtual machine. Okay. Now this machine is getting prepared and this device will get enrolled into Intune. Let's go to the Microsoft Entra ID. We will see the sign in log, whether the login was successful or failed or what. So go to user at the left hand side and all user and click on sign in logs. Sign in logs. So all your user sign in logs will be showing up here. Okay. So show more, refresh on the top. You'll have to wait for some time because it's still logging in, right? Yeah, you'll have to wait for some more time. So here you are getting the details, the user, also the location, IP address as well. Okay, so it captures all those details from where the user is logging in, right? Let's refresh again. No, you'll have to wait for some more time. Go back to the device. Accept. Okay, now go back to the Entra portal.
Now it will show, sir, maybe.
Let's see. Refresh. Okay, let's go to the devices at the left hand side. Go to devices and all devices. You will be able to see your device here, the new device. Yes, this is the device which you have logged in, and this is my desktop-m. This is the name of the device, version Microsoft Entra join. This is a Microsoft Entra join. Owner Sharif Munshi. MDM none. MDM should come as Microsoft Intune. Registered. When is this device registered with Entra portal? Like 4 minutes back, 3 minutes back. Go back to user, all user section. All user. Sign in logs.
Hello, Kashif.
Yes, hi. You see
Please,
Sharif Munshi. First it was failure because first time it asked for the password again, right? So first time it was failure, second time it was success, and it is from Chandigarh. Are you in Chandigarh right now?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Kashif, I'm in Chandigarh.
Yes, Salome. Go ahead.
I'm a little bit confused. Which address are we using to log in? Is it the
Your employee, you have created accounts.
I created an account? Are we using the domain address or the email?
Email address. For example, what have you purchased the domain, Salome?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so you can go with your user account. Suppose if you have created a user called Kashif, then Kashif at the domain which you have received from Microsoft.
No,
Okay.
I haven't created a user yet. So what I have is my Gmail that I created when I was creating my Intune Gmail account. So is that what we are using?
No, you have to create user account first.
Okay.
Okay, and use
All
the
right.
user account.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. Can you check the device? Okay, this is Windows Hello for Business coming. So you, instead of using the password, you can use the PIN as well. Enter password. Enter password. Sign in.
It will allow us to go with fingerprint also, sir.
More information required. Your organization needs more information. Okay, next. Okay, so authenticator is coming. Okay, next. Next. Now you need to download one application on your mobile, that is Microsoft Authenticator. Have you downloaded? So the user, the employee will download Microsoft Authenticator on their mobile.
Yes, Kashif, I have downloaded that app.
Click on the plus sign on the top. When you open Microsoft Authenticator, you need to click on the plus sign on the top on your mobile and choose work account, and then QR code. Scan this QR code on your mobile.
Work or school account, right?
Yeah, anything, work or school account. Scan this QR code and go next. And then it
it's
is
added
gonna
in
ask you
my.
for, huh?
It is showing in this app now. The
Yeah,
name.
next. Yeah, go next. It will ask you for, you know, the, yeah, say 37. You need to enter on your mobile this 37. Next and finish. That's it. We will stop right here, guys. Done. Okay, click on OK. Yeah. So your device will get enrolled into Intune. Okay, done. Leave it as it is. Ah, okay, you have to set a pin, 6-digit pin, not 4-digit, 6-digit pin. Click OK. Okay, your device is now logged in and your device will show up in Intune portal. Okay, so leave the device as it is for like 10-15 minutes and then stop all the machines. Okay, guys, clear? Gagan, you need to send this notepad to everyone on WhatsApp group. Copy the notes and send it to WhatsApp group. Okay. You can remove the password if you want or leave it as it is. Any question before we wrap it up, guys?
Hello, Kashif Venkat here. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, Kashif, I did the same actually what we did in the lab, but I'm able to restart the device in Azure, but I couldn't find the device in Intune. Actually, what we need to
It
check
will
or
come.
how we can.
It will come. It will come.
Not now. Actually, I did yesterday, but
Uh-huh.
till now I couldn't see it. What locks or what we can check.
Is okay. So is the device in Entra portal? Is the device showing as
Yes, Azure register.
micro?
Join.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So is the MDM shows none or Microsoft Entra ID? Microsoft Intune in MDM section.
In MDM
Is
showing none.
none. Okay. So that means Either you have not configured properly or you have to re-enroll the device.
Means
Got it?
do I need to format the device and re-enroll?
Not format. You can go to the setting. I will show you tomorrow because it's getting late for everyone. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, guys. Any other question before we wrap it up in today's session?
Do we have a class tomorrow, Friday?
Tomorrow no class.
Okay.
No class tomorrow, guys. Any other
Sunday also
question?
no class, right, Kashif?
No class for the next 2 days. We will meet on Monday morning, which will be Sunday evening for you guys, those who are in the US and Canada.
Kashif,
Okay.
Are there not activities that you could probably send to us to work independently on it, and then from there, maybe probably when we meet, we can now be able to deliberate on that?
Okay. Create some user accounts as we have done and create some.
Can you
Type it.
please
I will
send
type
it
it.
onto the group? Maybe probably you could just send it as a text that, okay guys, this is your weekend
Assignment.
activity. Do this, do this, do this, so that when we meet, we go through that and check if that was done. That is it. Rather than saying it verbally like that. If you could send a text, I think that will work. That
Okay,
will work well.
I will. Okay. Okay, guys. See you on Monday.
Thank you.
Those who are in US, we'll see you on Sunday. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye now.